Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting an up-close look at the REDTIGER F7N 4K dual dash cam, a high-end dash camera packed full of features to make your driving experience better with superlative video quality and total protection. The REDTIGER F7N is a dual-channel dash cam that captures footage in stunning 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear, leaving you with crisp, sharp recordings of your journey. The wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear, minimize blind spots, providing a broader view of the road. Equipped with a 3.16-inch IPS screen, the F7N offers real-time viewing and easy navigation through settings. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow for seamless video downloads and precise location tracking, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. Night vision capabilities ensure that low-light conditions won't compromise your footage quality. In addition, 24-hour parking mode monitors your vehicle when it is parked and offers reassurance from potential events. The box also includes a 64GB SD card, so you're up and running with it right out of the box. F7N owners have attributed it to dependability, ease of installation, along with great video crispness. If you're looking for a good and high-quality dash cam to safeguard your drives, the REDTIGER F7N 4K dual dash cam is a great choice. Click the link below for the best price, and thanks for watching.